Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Ninyo Manani Pramesti. I'm from 5B class. I'm a student of Diploma 3 English Study Program at Ganesha University of Education. In this nice video, I will tell you about making inquiries. A simple inquiry can be made by email, fax, or cable. The contents of inquiry will depend on three things: how well you know the supplier, whether the supplier is based in your country or abroad, and the type of goods or services you are inquiring about. So in making inquiries, we have to know about the opening, asking for catalogs and price lists, asking for details, asking for samples, patterns, and demonstrations, suggestion terms, method of payment, and discounts, asking for goods on approval or on sale or return, asking for an estimate and tender, and closing. Let's start from the opening. In the opening, we have to tell our supplier what sort of organization we are, and then how did we hear about the company we are contacting, and it is possible to use other references. So let's move to the second subtopic, which is about asking for catalogs, price lists, and etc. It's not necessary to give a lot of information about yourself when asking for catalogs, price lists, and etc. And this can be done by letter, fax, or email, but remember to give your postal address. It's also helpful to point out briefly any particular items you are interested in. In this case, we can use the expression like, could you please send us any information you can supply? Would be grateful if you could send me a prospectus and details of your fees. And the last one is, please would you send me an up-to-date price list for your building materials? And the next subtopic, which is about asking for details. Be specific and state exactly what you want. If replying to an advertisement, mention the journal, the date, and quote any box number. For example, I would appreciate more details about the university communication system, which you are currently advertising on your website. Let's move to the next subtopic, which is about asking for samples, patterns, and demonstrations. Most suppliers are willing to provide samples or patterns so that you can make a selection. In any cases, if it is practical, ask to see an example of the article you want to. For example, could you please enclose a pattern card? Or where can I see a demonstration of this system? Okay, let we move to the next subtopic, which is about asking for goods on approval or on sale or return. Sometimes retailers and wholesalers want to see how a line will sell before placing a firm order with a supplier. So, in either case, the supplier would have to know the customer well or would want trade references. The supplier would also place a time limit on when the goods must be returned or paid for. And the next subtopic, which is about asking for an estimate or tender. Estimates are quotations to complete a job, then tenders are similar quotation but in written form. When the work is for a government or is a large undertaking, there are often newspaper advertisement inviting tenders, and a company may write circular letters to several suppliers inviting offers to complete a construction job or to do repairs or decorating. And the next subtopic, which is about closing. Usually, a simple thank you is sufficient to close an inquiry. However, you could mention that a prompt reply would be appreciated or that certain terms or guarantees would be necessary. For example, we hope to hear from you in the future. and we would be grateful for an early reply. And you can also indicate further business or other lines you would be interested in. For example, if the product is satisfactory, we will place further others with you in the future. Okay, that's all the material about making inquiries. So thanks for watching this video and goodbye.